This video is about trapezoidal rules to estimate a definite integral. Think about how to estimate the area of this leaf. We can make this leaf into many different parts like this. Then we can connect the points so that we can form a trapezoid like this. For each trapezoid, you will work out the area from A1 to A10. Then the total area of this leaf will be A1 plus A2. Keep adding to A10. In this way, you can estimate the area of this leaf. In other words, if you want to estimate an irregular surface area, you just need to divide that irregular area into many trapezoids. Then work out each trapezoid. Add together, you can estimate any irregular area. As we know, when we're talking about the area, it's related to the definite integral. Therefore, if we want to figure out the definite integral, we can use the same way to estimate. The way to estimate the area, we call this is the trapezoidal rules. Let's explore the trapezoidal rules by doing this problem. Find the area under the curve y equals 2 to the x power from 1 to 3 with n equals 4 by trapezoidal rules. So we have 1 here. Then we have 3. According to the definition of a definite integral, we know that this area, we can write down integral from 1 to 3, 2 to the x power dx. But we want to use trapezoidal rules to estimate the area under the curve. N equals 4, which means we will divide this interval into 4 parts. Can label, this is x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. For each trapezoid, we can connect like this. We will label as A1, A2, A3, and A4 for the area of each trapezoid. For the A1, use the area of a trapezoid. You will get the 1/2. Height will be this. This is the height. So basically, they will have the same height. I use h stand for that. So here's h. This is h. H. How you work out this h? You will get the distance between 3 and 1. So 3 minus 1 over 4. So that you will get the 1 over 2. 0.5 will be the h. So you multiply by 0.5. And then times your top base and bottom base. We will do the y0 plus y1 use the same way, you will get A2, A3, A4. Therefore, for the area equals, we add this together. Since for each expression we have 1/2 times 0.5, so we do the 1/2 times 0.5. Then you will check y0 and y4 only once, so we add y0 plus y4 plus. You have 2 y1, 2 y2, 2 y3, so we add 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3. Think about what if we divide this area into n parts. Then the area equals 1/2. Let's change 0.5 into h. And you will get y0 plus yn. Then plus 2. From y1, you keep adding to yn minus 1. Then the height will be the distance between upper limit and lower limit. So we do b minus a over n. This will be the formula when you use trapezoidal rule to work out the area or the definite integral. Now let's use this trapezoidal rules to work this out. First of all, you need to figure out this y0 and y sub n. F of a, this will be a and here's a b. So for y0, you will get 2 to the first power equals 2. Y sub n will be the 2 to the third power equals 8. Then for this h, you will work out that's 3 minus 1 over 4 equals 1 over 2. The xi will be a plus hi. So for the a equals 1 plus 1/2 I. This one write down 1 plus 1/2 I. Then you need to substitute 0 to 4 for this I. Then you need to substitute for this xi into this function. So you get the 2 to the first power equals 2. For some value, you have to use a graphing calculator to work out. Then I use the 3 significant figures. You will get this number. Then the last step, we will use this formula. So you get the 1/2. H will be 1/2. Then y0 plus y sub n, we already figured these two out. It's 2 plus 8. Or you can use this number 2, here's 8. Then parentheses plus 2 times 2.83 plus 4 plus 5.66. Then we put into a graphing calculator, you will get 8.75. You can compare to the exact value. We will do the area prime equals definite integral from 1 to 3 2 to the x power dx. Your answer will be 8.66. You also can work out the percentage error. It will be absolute value a minus a prime over exact value will be a prime. So you will get the 8.75 minus 8.66 over 8.66 equals 1.04%.